Hello you guys, this is Sergio from Almco Plumbing. Today we're here in Lakeside. We're starting to do a septic replacement. We're trenching right now for the sewer, and then tomorrow we're gonna have the excavator here. We're gonna relocate the septic to this section and then run a few 100 feet of leach fields. We're here finishing up the installation of a 1,250 gallon septic. Right now we're backfilling the trench. Tomorrow we're going to be doing the leach field across the backyard, and we'll let you guys know how everything looks at the end. So in this property, this house is about 7 years old. The septic tank, the middle wall fell apart, so the solids and the liquids were mixing. It wasn't doing its job, and because of that, the leach field started getting clogged and plugged, so the water wasn't perking. They only had about 10% of the system working, so the clients and I decided that it was time to replace the whole thing. So we did new septic. We actually relocated it a few feet away from the house, and then we did a whole new system of leach fields infiltrators. It's a really good job. Clients are happy because they can use the restrooms again.